Today we have some breaking news for Jasmy Coin. Jasmy, because right now the Jasmy Coin price is dumping towards the downside exactly after we have called this target right here for Jasmy. So right now in this video we will be discussing the recent price action, what we could expect from here, the potential levels to look out for, and also the possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the very short term, and much more. So you don't want to miss this update video I have for Jasmy Coin. So right now we are inside the shorter 4-hourly time frame for Jasmy, and a quick recap. Ever since we have talked about Jasmy in the channel, we have spotted this consolidation pattern. We broke above it. We mentioned the green zone as our target. And since then, we have pumped to the upside. We have met the target. And I warn you guys to be careful buying right here because we could expect a pullback, which happened right now. What could we expect from here? Because so far, all of our predictions were spot on. So what could we expect for the Jasmy Coin price from here? Could we see Jasmy potentially have one more push towards the upside, or could we still see Jasmy have more pullbacks to the downside, and specifically to what level exactly? That's what we're going to be talking about right now. So pay close attention because I want you guys to look closely into this particular level right here, which is the 0.017 cents level. Now keep in mind this level is previous resistance, previous strong resistance, which has now been flipped to support, because previously it was acting as resistance right here until we broke above it, which flipped it to support as reflected by this strong bounce from the price of Jasmy right here. As you guys can see, a very strong bounce. It's very clear that this level is indeed supporting the price. So right now, if we do see Jasmy continue to dump to the downside, particularly to this level on the screen right now, I personally am expecting strong support at this level. So again, if we do see a dump to this level once again, I am expecting a strong bounce from here, and I'm expecting this exact level to support the price strongly, and that would send the price higher to the upside. And potentially after we do touch this exact level once again, that would begin the new uptrend for Jasmy. That would, I mean, essentially continue the uptrend, essentially, because again, this is an order block, and therefore order blocks usually have strong effects on the price action. But what if we do see Jasmy fail to hold this level as support? What if we do see Jasmy Coin instead break below this particular level and flip that to resistance? That will be our bearish scenario for this video. So if you do see Jasmy break below this level, I'm expecting this next level of support right here to support the price. This is exactly at the 0.012 cents level. So in case the worst thing happens, and if we do see Jasmy break below this order block, we could expect Jasmy to dump further to the downside to this next level right here at 0.012 cents, because that is where this next key level of support is located at, because that is the previous swing low. Or we could also expect Jasmy to dump to this level right here, and that is at around 0.0148 cents. So again, look out for these two remaining targets if we do see Jasmy break below 0.017 cents. But in general, I am expecting Jasmy to have or to find strong support at the 0.0176 cents level. And from there, we could potentially see Jasmy reverse and put in higher highs and higher lows from here, essentially continue the uptrend. But in the short term, expect that the Jasmy Coin price could just cool down off a bit, move down, and then after that we could move up. Because right now, take a look at the MACD in the 4-hourly time frame. Once we do see this blue line cross over the red line, that is a bullish signal, and that is usually a buy signal. So once you do see that happen, that will be the bullish confirmation, and that is when I could also expect Jasmy to continue this uptrend. But for now, let's wait for this confirmation to get triggered before we flip bullish once again. But as you guys can see previously right here, these are also bearish signals right here. When the red line crosses over the blue line, that is a bearish signal. That is a sell signal. And as reflected by the price, you guys can see right here, we saw this pullback from there. But if you do see the blue line cross over the red line, however, that is bullish, and we could see the price reverse to the upside. So that is the only confirmation I'm waiting for right now. And in the 4-hourly time frame, so far the RSI looks healthy. I'm just waiting for the MACD for confirmation. Now let's talk about my mid to long-term targets in the weekly time frame. So my view is still the same. I'm expecting Jasmy, as the bull run comes, I'm expecting Jasmy Coin to put in higher highs and higher lows. Specifically, we're going to be moving up to this next target, which is the next level of supply. Now, let me adjust this a bit to this level. So, yeah, my targets for the mid to long term, I mean, in the midterm, my target is a pump to this level. Let me just mark it on your screen so you guys can see. I'm targeting a pump to 0.037 cents. That is for my midterm target. And for my a bit of a long-term target, I am targeting a pump to this next order block at 0.071 cents, and then finally to this level of supply at 0.22 cents. So these are my long-term targets, but for the short term, calm down, don't panic. These pullbacks are normal, and I'm expecting higher prices soon after we do either find support at any of the following levels I have mentioned. So if you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.